currency manipulation watch list. Now, India is on the watch list of United States for currency manipulation. Let's first understand how this works. So, in the open market, what happens is, if let's say US dollar 1 costs rupees INR 75. I'm just citing an example to help you understand. This would remain the same if I buy in India, if I buy in Germany, if I buy in US. Now, what would happen if I'm trying to manipulate this rate? So what happens is, if RBI buys the Indian currency is ought to become expensive. So against 1 US dollar, we would have 70, for example, it's just an example to cite. So we would have, let's say, 70 INR that would be there. That means that Indian currency is now expensive, or it's rising, and as a result, the imports that US is procuring from us would get costly. So US, we can say, does not want to keep its import costly, and as we have a trade surplus with US would intend to keep our currencies at a fallen price, and therefore their imports would the rates would decline. So let's put it as another example. If we have this as an INR 100, now if 1 US dollar is INR 100, that means the imports that US is getting from India would become cheaper. So when I am saying India is having a trade surplus, that surplus would reduce, and that's the idea under keeping the currency in the watch list. So what criteria have been given by US Treasury to consider that these nations are party to currency manipulation? Now, there have been 3 criteria. If the bilateral trade surplus with United States is more than $20 billion, the current account surplus is 3% of the GDP, and the net purchase of the foreign currency is 2% of the GDP in last 12 years or 12 months or 1 year. Now, what has been the scenario with India? India met 2 of these criteria. How? India has a trade surplus with United States because it exported $24 billion of goods and $8 billion of services. So definitely there is a higher trade surplus than the limit of 20 billion. The next is the net purchase of the foreign currency was 5% of the GDP in last 1 year. 11 of the 12 months RBI purchased the foreign exchange. So RBI purchased the Indian notes itself, or the Indian currency. So what happens? RBI has an option to buy the Indian currency. Now RBI itself is buying the Indian currency. What would happen? The rate of the Indian currency would be high in contrast to the USD. So as we took the example, if it is 75, it can come down to 70, and the imports for US could get costlier. So on the other hand, US intends to keep their imports cheaper. So they have an idea that if the currency is cheaper, they can import more and they would have less trade surplus, and this would be better for the economy definitely. The next is India's current accounts. So these were the 2 criteria that were matched, and therefore India was party to the currency manipulation recently. Now the third is the current account surplus. Since 2004, we are registering a current account deficit. However, only in 2020, there was a registered surplus of 1.3%. And this was, however, not the party to the criteria as of now. But this is another information that we are trying to provide. Now, 11 nations were added by the US treasuries, which were issued warrant placements on the monitoring list because they were the major trading partners for US, and the list comes here and India is party to it. Now, if we focus on the 5 major trading partners of US, the 5 major trading partners are Vietnam, then we have Switzerland, India, Taiwan and Singapore, and therefore we have seen that the weakening of the currency would significantly improve the trade balance with United States, because the trade surplus that exists would be significantly reduced if the currencies get weakened in these nations. So currency manipulation becomes a very important concept that you need to understand. Just to do a quick summary again, so against, I just want to summarize it again, the concept is important. So 1 USD dollar, let's say we have INR 75. Now, how we can increase the Indian currency against US currency? So buying by RBI is one of the options that has been done recently. So RBI bought in 11 of the 12 months, and let's say because of this, just an example to cite, the rate declines to 70. So that means the imports that US is doing with us would become expensive, because the things would go expensive, the services would get expensive. However, if this does not happen, what would happen in the other way scenario? There could be a drop in the Indian currency, and this drop would make the trade cheaper, and if the trade becomes cheaper, we are importing the same amount, but the amount that India gets back against the USD dollars is less because our currency is devalued. That means the trade surplus that we have with US would significantly decline. So that is a very important concept to understand and comprehend what is currency manipulation and how this process actually works. We would be covering many further interesting topics in economics. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.